Alright, we're about to make a chicken tandoori. That's the ingredients you need: masala, lemons, and take any kinds of barbecue sauce. Chicken, it's gonna be chicken breast. I'm sorry, chicken thighs. I don't like chicken breast. You can see it. Open this up. Into the bucket. It's the whole thing. We need 2 of these. Three lemons. Okay, add some yogurt and some garlic paste as well. Not gonna add too much, just a little bit to make the paste. Right in. Okay, mix it all up. You should have a good paste. Okay, in goes my chicken. Make sure you lay it out nice. Just you're gonna add all of this. Okay, so this is after the marinade. Leave it at least over a day. I'll leave it for a whole night, as you can see. All right, so the chicken is on the grill. We marinated for 2 whole days. You can marinate about 6 to 12 hours, but we did it for 2 days. It's on the grill, as you can see. We're gonna cover the grill. We're gonna come back and check it in about, let it cook to 400. We're gonna check it in about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, guys, so about 4.5 minutes we flipped the chicken. You can see it starting to turn, change the color, starting to become white. We're gonna cover it back up for about another 4.5 minutes. Let it cook to 500. All right, let's check. Ooh, wow, that looks good. Let's see if it's done. Should be. Let's check that one. Okay, yeah, this is perfect. We're gonna take it off the grill one by one. All right, so this right here is our final chicken. Let's try it. All right. See that? Perfectly cooked. Spices are great.